Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can get Slack notifications for a new job applications on your Recruitee. Now Recruitee is a platform where people post for jobs as well as apply for jobs, and Slack is a platform where we can make different types of channels and where we can have conversations with our team members. Now what will happen, whenever a new candidate will be added to our Recruitee account, the details of that candidate will be sent to our Slack channel where we have our team members present. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Recruitee and Slack together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now on our screen. So what you have to do, you have to go to the address bar, type in Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect, and as soon as you will type that and press enter, you will be redirected to this beautiful web page. Now here you have two options, either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can sign in. If you are not having an account, you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So let's just go for sign in because I already have my account here. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to choose Pabbly Connect Access Now. And now you can see I will have a new window here where I will have all my automations. Here you can see these are all my workflows. Now we are going to create a new workflow. So now we are going to create this workflow and give it a name, Recruitee to Slack. Okay. So Recruitee to Slack is the name that I am giving to this workflow. You can name it whatever you want to. Just click on create. After clicking on create, you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Okay. So here what we are doing, we are having a new candidate created in our Recruitee account. So what we are going to do, we are going to choose candidate is created, and here you can see we have a webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? Webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Pabbly Connect account with our Recruitee account, and then when our Recruitee account will be connected to our Pabbly Connect account, we will then go to our next step and select next application for further automation. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on webhook URL and copy this and follow this information here. Log into Recruitee account, go to settings, apps and plugins, webhooks, new webhook, enter a name for the webhook, copy the webhook URL and paste it under the post URL field. Under send a message, choose the event candidate created and click on verify and save the integration. So let's just go here. Now here you can see I have so many candidates. What I'm going to do, first I'm going to click on settings. Now here I am going to look for apps and plugins, and this is the option for apps and plugins. And here I have the section of webhooks. So I'll click on webhook, and here I will go for new webhook. Now it is asking me for the name. So I'm just going to give it the name Recruitee to Slack. Now in post URL, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this and paste it in the post URL field. And here I am going to select candidate created because I am creating a new candidate. Now I will just click on verify and create. So our webhook has been verified and created. Now what we are going to do, we are going to have a webhook response here. Now you can see here it is written test 1. So I'll just click on recapture webhook response. And after recapturing webhook response, it is waiting for the webhook response. So what we are going to do, we are going to go back to our account. And here I will go on candidates. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add a new candidate. So either I can, upload CVs or resumes directly, or I can import candidates from CSV file, or I can just go and add it manually. So I'm just going to go for add manually. Here I am creating a candidate, Arpit Kumar Sharma. Job is software video creator. Oh, it does not have this job. So let's just leave this and let me just go for developer. Okay, developer is a good position, save it, email is the social fever 2020@gmail.com. Phone number, I am using a dummy number here. Now what we have to do, let me just put in +91 because I'm from India. Now here we have more fields. If you want to add social link, you can add social link. If you want to add other links, you can add other links. If we want to upload a file of resume of this particular person, we can do that too, but we do not want to do that right now. And if we want to write a cover letter, we can do that too, but I'm not doing it to save time. I'm just going to click on add. Now as soon as I will add here, a new candidate will come. Arpit Kumar Sharma, developer, applied just now. Now, you can see here in Pabbly Connect, I have the Webhook response, which is this, created at, event is this, and this is the Gmail of the candidate who has applied. Here you can see Arpit Kumar Sharma, the full name, this is the number, and here you can see I have all the other informations of this person for, as a developer, he is applying for the developer job. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add this to our Slack channel, okay? Now, before adding this to Slack channel, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back here in Recruitee. And here, I am showing you the second way of how it will be done, because whenever somebody will post a job, he will post the job on the website. He will post the job opening on the website. So what I did, I just created a candidate for you and I just showed you how the automation is done. The second way is this, that we have to go here. Then you can see this is the career hub and this is the career site. Now you can see this is the site of the person or site of the company which is offering you a job. Now here you can see open position is for developer. Now developer is here because the only open position in the company is for developer, and that is why it was showing with green dot. If you would have observed it in my account of Recruitee, that the developer part was with green dot, which means that the open position for the people is for developer. So what we will do, or what the person will do, he will click on view job, and whenever he will apply with his details, okay, whenever he will click on apply and whenever he will apply with his details, information will automatically go to your Pabbly Connect account here, and then it will be shared to the Slack channel, okay? I hope there is no confusion. If you want to ask something, you can ask in the comment section. So we are just going to go and create this manually. So let me just close this one. And let me just add a new application, Slack. So what we are going to do now, our first step of connecting our Recruitee account to our Pabbly Connect account is now complete. Now we are going to go for second step, and here I am going to choose Slack. Now what I am going to do here, I have to send a channel message. So I am just sending a channel message to my Slack. And what I am going to do here, I am going to first connect my Slack channel. So I already have connected my Slack channel. So what it is asking me, it is asking me that if I want to use it as a user or as a bot. So I am doing an automation here. So I'm just going to go for bot. And I have already logged into my Slack account, as you can see here. So it is not going to ask me again and again for the authorization. But when you will go for, okay, it is asking me, that's good. So whenever you will go for Slack and you will try to connect it to your Pabbly Connect account, your Pabbly Connect account will ask for the authorization request and you have to allow it. And only then your Slack will be properly connected to your Pabbly Connect account and the automation will work. And let me tell you that Pabbly Connect does not take any chances with your data. So your data is absolutely safe. Now what I am going to do here, it is asking me to which channel I want to post. Okay. Now here what I am going to do, you can see here I have channels: general, Pabbly Connect, random, send in blue. So what I am going to do, I am just going to go for Pabbly Connect because I am currently working for Pabbly Connect and the candidate is applying for the Pabbly Connect company. So what I am going to do, I am just going to choose Pabbly Connect here. This one, and here message. So now here what I'm going to do, I am going to write a message to my team here, which will be a manual message, plus I'm also going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the details from this window and it will let me put the details here in this window in these fields. So here I am writing hello team. We have a new candidate applying for. Now here I am going to map in the details applying for developer position. The details of the candidate are. Now here again I am going to use mapping. So this is the name. This is the number. And this is the email. Okay. Now here I'm just going to type in name. Here I'm just going to type in number. And here I'm just going to type in email. Okay. So you can see I have written a message here. Hello team, we have a new candidate applying for this position. The details of the candidate are this. Okay. Now we will just go here. We do not have any image, so we are not putting any image URL here. We do not have any image, all text. Bot name, if you want to put bot name, you can just put in Pabbly Connect manually. And here I do not want to use any other option. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see the response is okay. And here the message is this: hello team, we have a new candidate. And now we are going to go back to our Slack channel and we will see here, you can see Pabbly Connect. Hello team, we have a new candidate applying for developer position. The details of the candidate are name this, number this, and email is this. So our automation is successful. Now let us try it for another candidate. So add candidate, add manually. Let me just put in the name Swati Sharma. Email is swatisharma@gmail.com. Phone number is again a dummy number. And here she is applying for the digital marketing team. Save. And click on add. So as soon as I will click on add, you can see a new candidate, Swati Sharma, will be here. And she is here now and she has applied for the digital marketing. When I will go back, you can see here is my message to my team in my Slack channel. Hello team, we have a new candidate applying for digital marketing position. The details of the candidate are name Swati Sharma, number is this, email is this. So friends, this is how you can connect your Recruitee to your Slack, so that whenever there is a new candidate applying for something for a particular position, that message will automatically be sent to the Slack channel where you have your team, and the details will be shared to the team as well. And if you want to use this workflow, you can just go to my description box and copy this wonderful workflow, or I should say that clone this wonderful workflow in your account. But for that you need an account, and to have an account you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.